Hey drivers, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're discussing a topic that it's important for all of you to bear in mind when it comes to your gas pump's health. Let's jump in. Ever wondered why it's important to keep your gas tank above a quarter full? Well, it's more than just avoiding the embarrassment of running out of gas. It's about the well-being of your car. You see, your vehicle's fuel pump, which is crucial for getting fuel from the tank to the engine, relies heavily on the gasoline in your tank for cooling. It's nestled right inside the tank, submerged in gas or diesel, whichever your engine runs on, to keep it from overheating. But when you're running on fumes, that pump starts to get hot. Over time, this heat can wear down the pump, potentially leading to damage and costly replacements. We're talking a few $100s, or even more. But that's not the only problem you might face when running on low fuel. Keep watching to find out more about the dangers of running on low fuel, and how you can avoid them. Running on low fuel can also lead to what most mechanics call the gunk problem. Picture this. Over time, dirt and debris settle at the bottom of your gas tank, like the dregs in a coffee cup. Now, when your fuel runs low, your car starts siphoning from this bottom layer. This means all that accumulated gunk can get sucked into your fuel filter, or worse, your engine. And let me tell you, engine repair bills are no joke. But the gunk isn't the only thing your car might be gulping down. Modern vehicles are designed to maintain a consistent fuel pressure. If your tank gets too low, you risk sucking in air. This air disrupts the steady fuel flow, causing your car to sputter and jerk. It's like trying to drink through a straw with a hole in it. Not exactly a smooth experience, right? And if you think that's bad, wait until you hear what can happen in colder climates. Now, if you're a winter driver, running on empty or almost empty tank can create yet another issue. Picture this. As the temperature outside drops, condensation can form inside your nearly empty gas tank. This moisture can then freeze in your fuel lines, effectively blocking the flow of gas to your engine. Suddenly, you're stuck in the cold with a car that refuses to start. Not a fun way to start your day, right? The solution to all these problems is surprisingly simple. Keep your gas tank above a quarter full. It's a small habit that can have a big impact on the health of your car. Not only does it prevent the fuel pump from overheating, and the fuel system from sucking in debris, but it also avoids the risk of frozen fuel lines in winter. So remember, drive smart, take care of your car, and stop treating your gas tank like a test of endurance. Most of the issues related to your gas pump can be easily avoided having a decent amount of fuel in it. Not doing so is just like trying to have a resistance training on an empty stomach. Would you do it? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense car advice. See you in the next one.